How to recover disabled Instagram account 2026. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to recover disabled Instagram account 2026. So to recover disabled Instagram account, the first thing what you can do is appeal through the in-app. Just open the Instagram app and try to log in with your username and password. Now if your account is disabled, a pop-up message will appear saying your account has been disabled. Tap Learn More or Request Review and then follow the on-screen instructions which may require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. Now if prompted, you may need to submit a video selfie to verify your identity. Now the next thing what you can do is, if you cannot access the app or the request review button is missing, use the Meta's official help forms. Just go to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari, and then go to Help Center Appeal Form. Instagram Help Center Appeal Form. Go to the website. Now you can use the Meta AI support assistant to ask your questions. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.